Hey guys, we have a 2005 Toyota Highlander with intermittent AC. If you're experiencing this problem with the fans not working right, the temperature selector going from hot to cold, AC cutting out, check these knobs. Make sure they're not loose. See, that one there is very loose. And that one's loose. There's a nut behind the knob that needs to be tightened up. These knobs should pop right off. And you can see that nut right there. Is loose. So we need to tighten that up. Just snug those up and put the knobs back on, and you should be good to go. If you still have issues, then more than likely the wires are broken back behind here from the switch being loose and vibrating around. This one, even after tightening up the knobs, still had issues. If I push on the knob, it'll switch from cold to hot. So there's probably a broken or damaged wire behind here from that switch being loose. So to remove the heater panel, we need to pull the radio and heater assembly out as a unit. So we need to pop this trim panel off using a plastic non-marring trim tool. There's clips that surround it all the way around, so just work your way slowly, pop each clip individually and remove the whole panel. Six 10mm headed bolts around the outside. And then unplug everything from the back. There's a couple screws on each side that we'll have to pull out to separate the radio from the heater unit. If you're going to repair the circuit board yourself, I'll put a link in the description on the video of how to do that. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. If you want to watch more videos like this, hit subscribe. And thanks for watching.